Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to open a template in Thunderbird. If you've been storing email templates to save time on repetitive messages, knowing how to access and use them quickly is essential for streamlining your workflow. First things first, you'll need to open your Thunderbird application. Once it launches, you'll see the familiar interface with your inbox and various options displayed across the screen. This is where all your email management happens, and we'll be navigating through it to locate your saved templates. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find your folder pane. This panel displays all your email folders, including your inbox, sent items, drafts, and more. The folder pane is your navigation hub in Thunderbird, making it easy to organize and access different types of emails. Within this folder pane, you'll need to locate the templates folder. Depending on how many folders you have, you might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Once you spot the templates folder, go ahead and click on it. This action will display all the email templates you've previously saved in Thunderbird. These templates are pre-formatted emails that you can reuse whenever you need to send similar messages, saving you valuable time and ensuring consistency in your communications. Next, browse through the templates displayed in the main viewing area until you find the specific template you want to open. Once you've identified the right one, simply double-click on it. This will open the template in a new composition window, ready for you to use. The double-click action is key here as it launches the template into edit mode, allowing you to make any necessary modifications before sending. Now that your template is open, you have full freedom to edit and customize it as needed. You can update the recipient information, adjust the subject line, modify the body text, or add attachments. This flexibility means you can maintain the core structure of your template while tailoring each message to fit specific situations or recipients. Once you've made your edits, you can send the email just like any other message in Thunderbird. And that's it. You've successfully opened and accessed a template in Thunderbird. This simple process makes managing repetitive emails much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.